My name's Justin Brown. We're here in Scottsdale, Arizona. We're out here on the photo shoot. I chose Gateway Bronco because I actually visited the facility in Hamlin, Illinois, and I saw the process and the quality that went into the Bronco. The people that worked there just seemed like they were real craftsmen and they were really into what they did. They took a lot of pride in what they did, and I just felt like I was going to get a really good product out of Gateway Bronco. The communication with Seth and the team during the build process was really good. I got constant updates on what stage my Bronco was in. I wanted to do a few custom things to my Bronco to make it my own, and there was never any question that that could be done. The answer was always yes, we can do that, down to the stitching that I wanted in the console, the barnwood floor, the level of detail, and the level of kind of customization that I wanted. My favorite feature on my Bronco is actually the wheels, because the wheels are a billet wheel that are made to exactly match the original hubcaps. The thing that made Gateway Bronco's product stand out from other options is that they were still going to maintain the authenticity of the Bronco while still giving me a modern feel to it. If there was one word that I would use to explain my experience with Gateway Bronco, it would be spectacular.